How to turn off videos start with sound on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off videos start with sound on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here, and now go down and click settings and privacy, and then click settings, and then go down and until you find here media and click on it. And now just go down and you will find here this one, video start with sound. Just click on it, and as you see, video start with sound has been turned off. And that's how to turn off video start with sound on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.